I'm priming my eyes with Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and then taking the shade Lace and applying that right above my crease and to my outer V. I'm just packing the color on before I take the same brush and buff out the edges to have a smooth gradient effect and a soft faded look. With the shade Tease, I'm concentrating this color a little tighter into the crease and doing the same thing, applying it to the crease and the outer corner, and then buffing out the edges to smooth it out. With the shade Bare, I'm applying this to my brow bone, as well as the inner corner of my eye to add a little highlight. With the shade Daydream, I'm applying this right over the lid and just packing that color on and softening the edges. Then with a concealer, I'm applying a cut crease line right above my crease. You can place this wherever you want. Then with a glitter liner, I'm applying that above and below the concealer line we just drew. You can use any color you'd like. Then with the Sam Marcel liquid liner pen, I'm doing a small winged liner. I just start with the shape first, and then I go ahead and fill it in. Let me know down in the comments below if you'd like to see a step-by-step tutorial on how to get the perfect winged liner. Next, I'm applying a shade to my bottom lash line just to finish off the whole look, applying lashes, and this is the completed look. I'm also wearing a pair of contacts from Desio lenses and a blonde wig. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know down below if you'd like to see any other looks. Be sure to subscribe and press the bell button to get notifications every time I upload, and thank you for watching.